The snow is falling.
Hi, Kathy here from KathysKuteKreations. Alrighty, today I have my daughter here with me, Sherry, and we're going to be unboxing Yvette's box. Yes, can't wait to see what we have this month. Or this quarter, I guess you would call it. Look how pretty that is.
Careful, that's loose.
Okay,
right?
Well, yeah.
Something flicked out of it, that's why I said that.
Probably sparkle. Yeah, sparkle. Sparkle, sparkle. Yeah.
And it shows up too on the camera, so that's nice. I like it.
Okay,
says,
let's
ho,
see
ho.
what we got here.
Save the paper.
Save the paper. Okay.
Wow, that's nice.
So she sat down and did a wall hanging. Well, when she sat down to design this wall hanging, she had something completely different in mind. Well, you know, I can understand that, and I can relate to that, because I start out with one idea trying to make something, the next thing you know, all of a sudden it's like veered to the right. It's not even what I planned on doing, but it turned out okay. So I understand. Okay, so she started out with the wonky house, and what she ended up with took her by surprise. And she says, if you don't necessarily want a Christmas wall hanging, you can always change the Christmas tree to a second wonky tree. And if you go ahead and you do your boxing, go ahead and put it on her social media. Consider posting your pics, and you can put them on her Facebook. Also, if you put it on your own Facebook or whatever, you're going to use the hashtag Silent Night FPP and hashtag Piecing It Real. Okay, so let's get seeing what's in the box.
Do you want to tell me the value of the box first, or no?
No.
Okay.
Okay, so I love these little bags. So here's a little bag that's got some things in it. So let's open that up. Oops. It's a thread, and let's see, what is this? Buttons. Okay, so we have thread. I was looking for a number. Orifil thread. Let's see. Find out the color. So it's a very dark navy, which you probably can't. Oh, there you go. That was good lighting right there.
Here, do that. There you go.
Excuse me. And then we've got some buttons, and look at that cute little washi tape with the little bitty paws. That's cute, with the kitty cat paws. Okay, and so we have. Oh, this is a sweet.
Sure.
Yeah, it says Murphy's Mellows. Gourmet sweets, handcrafted. What is it, though? I've never seen it. Oh, it's caramel apple s'mores. Oh, my gosh. Oh. Remove the lid, microwave it for 6 to 8 seconds on high, or heat it in your oven at 250 for 3 to 5 minutes. Look at that. We're going to have to share that, Sherry, when this video's over.
I thought it was a candle.
I had no clue what it was.
Well, I mean, the jar and everything.
Oh, it looks good, though, doesn't it?
Yes.
Okay. Let's see. Okay, so we have some fabric here. I'm gonna take it out of the paper, just so we don't get that glare on there. I can get it out of the paper.
Oh, you don't want to repeat the last one?
Pre-cut? No. Little pre-cuts. Here's all the different colors. Oh, that's pretty. Isn't that cute?
Yes.
You want to show some fabric?
Sure.
Okay. There you go.
Well, those two are the same.
Okay.
Alright. So she has this. I like that.
Yeah, that's pretty.
Looks like so 80s.
White on white.
Okay, because I can't tell.
Yep. And you can see it in the camera too.
Oh,
that's
good.
Pretty good, yeah. That's some nice looking white too, boy. That's a nice bright white, not a dull type of white.
Sorry, my nose. I'm trying not to sneeze.
And that's pretty.
Yeah.
It looks like little snowflakes, doesn't it? Little white snowflakes on it?
Yes, it does. Now, when I hold it up, it doesn't, but that's because I can't see it very well.
Yeah, you can get it close enough. That's little snowflakes. There you go. Yeah.
Oh, okay. Yeah. Sorry, my eyes still dilated, so I don't see. Now, there's a dark navy.
Oh, gosh, I thought it was black.
No, now that's navy.
No, are you sure that's navy? That looks black to me.
Well, if I hold it up next to a black. It isn't. I don't know. Like I said, I can't tell. It looks navy to me, but
I don't know. It looks black to me, but that's okay.
I was trying to get a. Do you have a plain black piece of fabric to hold it up to?
No, because all the blacks are different kinds of blacks.
Does it say anywhere what color
No,
it is?
I didn't say what color it is.
Sorry.
That's almost a lime green type of.
Yeah, it's.
Yeah, I like that green.
Now see, when I put it in the camera, though, it looks blue, but it's not. It's green.
Well, just back it up a little bit. Yeah, I see what you're saying, huh?
Because if I hold it up, it looks
Well, it's green.
blue, but it's green. It's
Yeah.
definitely a mint green or lime green.
Lime, yeah.
And then there's yellow.
Yeah.
It's basic yellow. And then the plaid again that I really, really like. All right.
Okay, so then we have. I feel like it's always a book when she does it. I think it's great. Look at that.
Oh.
So the skill level is confident beginner.
Oh my gosh, that looks. It looks really cute on the front of the book with what it looks like.
There's the book
right here. I like that.
That is cute, isn't it?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, that is just adorable.
It's almost like a Charlie Brown.
Oh,
or
here's your colors.
a cartoonish theme. That's what it reminds me of.
So it's Night Sea. I believe that's the color of that fabric.
Sea is blue, right? The sea is blue.
I don't know. Unless it's Moonstone.
It says scrap. Did you get scrap in here? No.
No. Okay, and her directions are really, really neat, guys. Look at that. Okay. It has all the directions on all of it. And along with, now, here's your, see your pattern in the book? This is what you would get when you normally get a book. Well, good old Yvette, because she is the best, she actually gave us the templates. Now I always take these. I keep the originals. I'm trying to get it so the glare is not on there so bad. I always take the originals and I make copies of them because I always want to keep the originals. I don't want anything to ever happen to them by accident. And then we have pure cotton for our batting. Yeah.
Nice.
Very nice. Okay, that's everything that's in the box. Thank you very much, Yvette. This is a wonderful box. We're going to have to let you know whether this, this treat is really, really something.
You're not putting that all back in there, right? Because you're going to take a picture.
Yep, I got to take a picture. Okay, so we'll take a picture of it.
I check.
Thank you very much, Yvette. A wonderful, wonderful box. You've really outdone yourself here. Yeah, this is wonderful.
So this color right here, which it says dark.
Now I see that it looks like it's blue.
Blue.
It looks like a blue.
Because I cheated. I Googled it. And I put in what color is dark sea. And it says dark sea blue color codes.
It's not cheating, honey.
But, well, I call it cheating. Anyway. But please feel free to say what it is in the comments below. Put your guess in.
Okay, so the value of her box was $125. And these little buttons right here, these are the doorknob buttons. That's what those little buttons are.
Oh,
For the
that's
doorknobs.
cute.
Yes, isn't that cute? That's adorable. Absolutely. All right, I'll lay it all out here so everybody can see everything that came in the box. Thanks again, Yvette. This is a wonderful box. I just love these boxes. Take care, everybody. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye. All righty, here we go. Here's everything that was in the box. I've spread it out here on the table in case y'all didn't see it. I'm really liking that. That's what it's going to look like when it's done. That is really, really neat. We're going to have to teach you some paper piecing, Sherry. That's all there is to it.
Teach me?
Well,
I
get
made
you
it.
confident.
Oh, okay. Because
That's
it says confident beginner.
Yeah.
I'm a
to get
beginner.
you-
I
to
don't know
get
how
you
confident I
confident.
am.
All right.